What's going on, guys? Today we'll be taking a look at how to root the Samsung Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge with the latest official Nougat update. If you are rooted and you update to Nougat by flashing the official firmware, you will lose root access and you need to reinstall it. Luckily, SuperSU still works with the Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge with the Nougat update. Well, actually, a developer over at XDA has modified the SuperSU file in order to work with the latest Android version. So, heading over to the settings menu to About Device, the model number is SMG920F and the software info Android version 7.0. So yes, we are going to root the S6 with the Nougat update. In order to root your phone, you will need two things. Well, of course, the first thing is the modified SuperSU file that you can download from the description. And the second thing is a custom recovery such as TWRP, which you can also download from the source link on the description. Now you need to turn the phone off and go to recovery mode. In order to go to recovery mode, you can press the volume up, home and power keys at the same time once the phone is off. So you need to press these three buttons at the same time for a few seconds until you get the Galaxy S6 boot animation logo. This will put the phone into Team Win Recovery project. You need to go to install, scroll down to where your SuperSU root file is and swipe to confirm the flash file. So this is going to root your phone in just a few seconds. Now that the process is done, click on Reboot System, and now let's wait for the phone to boot up. Now that the phone has booted up, let's wait for it to load all the applications, unlock the phone, and now when you scroll to the sides you can see that we have SuperSU installed. Click on Root Checker to see if we have root access. So it says device SMG920F Android version 7.0. Click on Verify Root, and now it will ask for root access. Simply click on Grant, and that is it, your phone is rooted with the latest SuperSU version. So yeah, guys, this was a quick little video to show how to root your Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge with the latest Android 7.0 Nougat update. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you all next time.